Guy just walked straight in the fucking bay. What a mong. How have you managed that? You're sacked. You are sacked. Oh shit.
Falling into Monday.
These are little longs we're going to pull out our trusty dikes we've had for 10 years and shorten these wires up a little bit. Damn it, Kyle!
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guy? 20 bucks? No, too much money. It's no good operator.
Red Row at its best.
On today's episode of Whack Fuck. Nice.